Hi, my name is Belen Oresti. I am ninth grade and I talk to you about the biography of Luis Eduardo Reina Callos. He was born on December 17. He is 23 years old. He was two older brothers, Juan and Evelyn, studying and work. He is studying business administration and his current job is the cut hair and has his own barber shop. The hobbies. His favorite hobbies are spending time with his girlfriend, friends, and family, mechanics, and listen to music. Relationship. He has a relationship with his girlfriend, Belen, on 3 years old. They are getting married in June 18. He considers himself a good, honest, responsible, and hardworking person. Thank you. Bye.